Hello, class. Today we are going to make a video tour of our school. What I need you to do is go on gohollyridge.com and save 5 pictures for your video tour. To save a picture, you simply click on a picture. A larger version of that picture will appear. Right-click on that larger version, click Save Picture As, and you need to save it to your student drive. To do that, select from the pull-down menu, find your student ID number, name the file. I'm going to name this front for front of school. Click Save. Do the same thing for 4 additional pictures. So you can choose from these pictures here. When you're done, click the X here, and you will be directed back to the site. We are going to use PhotoStory to make our video tour. If you don't have PhotoStory at home and you have a Windows computer, you can download PhotoStory by clicking this link, but you need to ask your parents first. The school computers have PhotoStory, so go to Start, Programs, PhotoStory 3 for Windows. By the way, you can also find PhotoStory for Mac computers. We are going to begin a new story. Click Next. Import your pictures. We need to find our pictures by selecting from the pull-down menu, find your student drive, go all the way down to the bottom. We're going to select all of our pictures. To do that, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Click OK. Your pictures will appear. If you want to change the order, all you have to do is drag a picture to change the order. Click Next when you're done with this. And by the way, you can remove the black borders. Notice how this picture has black borders here. If you'd like to remove the black borders, all you have to do is click Remove, and it will remove that black border. It'll crop that picture. Okay, we're going to click Next. Here's where you type words on your picture. We're going to say, welcome to Holly Ridge Elementary School. And I can choose a different font. I can choose where the text will be displayed on the screen. For example, this is not a very good spot for the text to be. So what I can do is I can click this icon here, and it will bring it to the top. If I want to change the color of it, I can click on the A and choose red. I can also make it bold. I can change the size of it here. And what you can do is you can add text. I'd like you to add text to each of these pictures, okay? I'm going to move on to the next step to show you that, but you need to add text to each of these pictures. So you might say, we are the Holly Ridge Labradors on this page. And you could say, this is my favorite subject, gym. Let me show you my playground. I love recess. And then finally, this is the hallway to our school. You know what? That didn't really make sense. I'm going to bring that right to the front because that's the first place you're going to walk in. Okay, we're going to click Next. Now, if you had a microphone attached to your computer, you could record the narration for each picture. Okay? So if you have a microphone, you may do this step. If you don't have a microphone, you're going to need to skip this step. Okay? To record, you simply hit the record button. And then you can stop, and you can even preview your recording by clicking preview. Okay? Click Next. Here's where we add music. You can select music from your computer if you already have a song on your computer, but we don't have a song. We need to create music. So click Create Music, and you can select different styles, different genres, different bands. I like some piano music, and the mood I'd like the mood to be sentimental. And I want it to be not too fast, a little on the slow side. And the intensity, I'd like it to be low. To preview or listen to your music, click play. That is just perfect. We're going to click OK. Once we have our music, we'll click Next. Here's where you will save your project. We're going to click Browse to find out or to choose a spot to save our project. Select from the pull-down menu your student folder. I'm going to title this My School Video. Click Save. To save our project for playback on our computer, we have this first option selected. Simply click Next. And what it'll do is it'll save your project. Okay, my project is saved to my student folder. Now, to view my story, I simply click View. Windows Media Player will open, and here is my video, my photo story. Now, I hope that your photo story has more exciting text than mine. And also, maybe you'll be able to add your own voice to your photo story. Remember that you can create your own photo stories at home. Photo story software is free, and I have the link on my website. So ask your parents and see if you can start creating your own photo stories at home.